So this rug here has a ton of really ground in hair and all kinds of other stuff. And I have a special machine that's right here, you can see it. And it has brushes on the bottom of it, and it has two bins. And what it's going to do is it's going to dig into the fibers without damaging, because the brushes are very soft. And it's going to pull all the hair and stuff out, and they're called counter-rotating brushes. So they're spinning opposite directions. So I'm going to go ahead and go over this, and we'll take a look what it looks like. So guys, as you can see here, I've already done this side of the rug, and this is where all the rest of the hair and stuff is caught. And the machine actually picks up all the hair and puts it in the bins. Let me show you what came out. Look at all that hair.